Alright guys, so I wanted to put something on today for you guys for the test on Monday. And I know a lot of you were working on getting this down today and hopefully you got it all recorded, but I did want to show you, okay? So number one, and like I said, you can use this on the test on Monday. So number one, for addition and subtraction of decimals, remember we're going to line up our decimals. Alright, and I got a couple examples for you there. Alright, on how to do it. Number two, divide decimals in only the dividend. Okay, so if we're dividing decimals and only the dividend, remember it is what it is, and you can see there we just brought our decimal up. For number three, if the decimal's in the divisor, we got to get them out. If I do it in the divisor, I must do it in the dividend, and some of you were having problems with that today. And that was the example of what I gave you guys today. So if I move it out of the divisor of 5.1, then I have to move it in the dividend of 25.5. And then we get 51 into 255, or 255 divided by 51. Alright, for number four, let me pan out a little bit. Multiplication of decimals, alright? Remember, we're going to ignore the decimal until the end, alright? As you can see, over here I'm showing how we're counting our decimals because that's at the end. But how we set up the problem up is we completely ignore the decimals. So we have 512 times 36. We do the math and we get 18,432. But when we go back and count our decimals, we see it must be 4 times. Alright, we must move our decimal 4 times. And that's counting all of our decimals, not just 2 decimals in one problem. Alright, so guys, I want you to think about this weekend. We've got the test on Monday. Alright, and don't forget, alright, when we read those mathematical sentences, which one's the dividend and which one's the divisor. And that's how we solve it. Alright, so have a good weekend. Like I said, go out, play some Fortnite, eat something bad for you. Enjoy your weekend, but hopefully you do some studying and you come in Monday ready for the test.